Assalamu alaikum, my beautiful people. Welcome to day 4 of Ramadan Iftar. Today, I'm showing you something different from what you have been seeing. Yes. When you see guys like this in the market, just know that the matter is very serious. How much did you call everything? 63.3. Don't be tired, you still have a long way to go. Even me, I feel like sleeping, but then you cannot sleep here. Are you a social person? No. Okay, there is a slang I will tell you, but yeah, I don't think you understand it. Yakubu manage. Yeah. Manage. Do you want us to carry our money back or you want to dash us? Yeah.
No, sir, I don't get you. Give me 1 million naira. That's in plenty.
Are you? Yeah. I want to show. I want to show people where send us come market. Say okay, now the person will buy market. Yes, now. You collect our money. You don't want to show your face.
Computer.
Where is it?
My computer.
Is it with it?
See me now.
Sorry. I'm just thinking about how we're going to get all these things to where we're going, to be honest. We have a lot of load to carry. So right now we're buying beans. I think we're getting Olotu beans from Maiduguri. It's a very good beans and it's very expensive at the same time. So yeah, a very good one, but very expensive, but you will love it. So if you are thinking of preserving your beans and you're not going to finish it at once, I think this is your best bet. Let me just show you. You don't reach 11, no. How many days inside the bag? How many paints? We're able to fulfill our curiosity. After mentioning 16 cups, 16 paints, we still have about small remaining. At least we'll get one Derika now. You can never be too wrong with your instinct sometimes. Let's see. 1. Yo,
We are not buying it here.
no, we're not buying fish here.
These are done. Pepper,
Done.
Maggi, done. Onion, done. Ginger, done.
What else? The smell in this place, I can't even explain it.
No.
Nah? I know you. How much? It's not too expensive. You want to buy? How much? You want to buy? You like them? Thank you. Maybe 700. Yeah. 700. He was actually asking for how much do they sell, how much are they selling my camera. I said 700. Olofa. When are we coming back to the market? You will answer. Aaron, you no go mind your business. Right now, we are done with everything, but we are looking for a bus that will take us to the mosque. But right now, I be like say I don't tire. But then Yakubu manage. You go do like say you want faith, but you go manage.
Have you done something like this before? First time. So how do you feel? What do you think?
Eh?
What do you think? How do you feel?
Alhamdulillah.
So do you think you want to do it again?
It's very stressful.
He said no, he doesn't want to do it again.
It's very
How
stressful.
about you?
This is very stressful, like seriously.
Why?
Very stressful. Look at how you are just running
This is your first
up
time?
and down. This is my first time now.
Or you are willing to come in? Yes or no? No.
Like, I'll just try because
So as
everything. I will just try.
How do you go?
No, I will try. I would.
Anyways, yeah, I've done
Something like that. But not in Lagos.
No.
Where? Which state?
Sokoto.
But I don't think it will be this stressful. Because we have too many people here.
Yes.
So Sokoto cannot. Anyway, Sokoto, the population cannot be like Lagos.
They can't be like Lagos.
Look at that market now. Like,
Very clean.
it just be like everybody in Lagos is living in that market. Clumsy.
Normally, you want to try it next time because of the reward. Like, okay.
Wow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, we just got back from the market. We went to my 12 market this morning. I think immediately after we prayed Salah to Subhi. The experience was not bad. This is one of the things you can do this period to earn reward, actually, because you do everything possible in this holy month of Ramadan to earn reward. What we're making for Iftar today is moi moi and pap for 200 people. Like, seriously? Yeah, guys, it's a good one, and I cannot wait to share the whole story with you. I look stressed, but then if you think about it, it's worth it. Yeah. So, catch ya, clock it. Without wasting time, let me show you the process of making today's iftar. Okay guys, it's about time to break the fast and people are anticipating already. Wow. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. Day 4 done and dusted. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. We go again tomorrow. Yakubu manage.